To buy with margin on Robinhood, you first need to understand what margin is and how it works. Margin is essentially a loan from Robinhood that allows you to buy more stocks than you could with just your cash balance. This can be a powerful tool for investors, but it also comes with significant risks, including the potential to lose more money than you initially invested. To get started, you need to enable margin on your Robinhood account. This can be done by going to the account settings and selecting the margin option. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions, and you may need to provide additional information to verify your eligibility for margin. Once you have enabled margin, you can start buying stocks using the borrowed money. To do this, simply select the stock you want to buy and enter the amount you want to purchase. If you have enough cash in your account to cover the purchase, the transaction will be made using your cash balance. However, if you do not have enough cash, Robinhood will lend you the remaining amount, and you will be charged interest on the loan. It is essential to understand the risks associated with buying on margin. If the value of your stocks falls, you may be required to deposit more cash into your account to cover the loss. This is known as a margin call, and it can be a significant problem if you do not have the cash to cover the call. In extreme cases, Robinhood may even sell some of your stocks to cover the loss, which can result in significant losses. To avoid these risks, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of the stocks you are buying and to have a well-thought-out investment strategy. You should also make sure you have enough cash in your account to cover any potential losses and to avoid margin calls. In addition to understanding the risks, it is also essential to understand the fees associated with buying on margin. Robinhood charges interest on the borrowed money, and the rate can vary depending on the amount you borrow. You should carefully review the fees and charges before making a purchase. In conclusion, buying with margin on Robinhood can be a powerful tool for investors, but it requires a solid understanding of the risks and fees involved. By carefully reviewing the terms and conditions, understanding the risks, and having a well-thought-out investment strategy, you can use margin to enhance your investment portfolio. However, it is crucial to approach margin with caution and to never invest more than you can afford to lose.